going to explore the fascinating power of plants. Our resource person for today is a dynamic personality, Mrs. Saviola. Mrs. Saviola has served as Vice Principal in Mount Carmel, Pune, and active term is also a medicinal plant consultant.
What is the importance of homemade food and outside food. And now mostly people, their children prefers that noodles and pizza and all that. So the sister explained to us the bad points about that. And I hope children will prefer to eat homemade food. And the sister nicely explained also like easy available plants which are there, even that she explained, and even we don't know the importance of the plants which are available surrounding our houses. So that also sister explained was very well, the importance of the plants. So overall the session was very interesting. So I would like to thank sisters, the principal also of Government High School for organizing such an interesting session for students and also including parents in the session. Thank you.
The workshop, can you say something about it?
And learn many things about the new natural things that we can do through plants, and for our kids how we can teach them to the natural remedies such as real remedies.
How was the workshop?
Very good, useful, and we came to know a lot of things about the trees and herbal plants, and it was very nutritious.
About the workshop, how was it?
It was very nice, we enjoyed. I must say thank you for the school. So they gave this opportunity for us. We enjoyed it. Very nice it was. Thank you for Teacher Lakshmi.
Thank you, Teacher Lakshmi, for inviting us for this interesting activities with our students. First of all, I want to tell, in the olden days I used to come to this school only from backside with my parents, and it was very interesting to see the different types of the plants which are there in the environment. When our kids never came to know about these things, but the sister has really gone to that system where we were coming from the school, and I was very enjoying when my sister was explaining this. So I'm very grateful to you, sister, for this. I hope our kids also enjoy this. Thank you very much.
Sister Saviola's talk was very educative. It made the students aware of the plants around them, which can be used for medicinal, and it can cure various types of diseases for which we run to the doctors.